Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little talk through video on this simple eye look here using like 3 shadows. It's simple to do, and it's a look that you can wear every day. So if you're interested in some tips and tricks that I've taught myself over the years, then keep on watching. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette, and the reason why I'm using or choosing to use this is because it literally has a little bit of everything. I'm going to start with this color here. The key to doing this simple eye look is you want to have a light color, medium, and dark color picked out for your eyes, for your skin tone. So I'm choosing that color because it's a little bit darker than my skin tone, and I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush, and that's going to go right in my crease, right where the eye folds. Start in the outer corner and blend in. It helps if you hold the brush back far enough. That kind of allows the brush to do the blending for you. And this is what people call the transition shade. So I think what's important to remember about the transition shade is you want to make sure it's well blended. Blending is your friend. Blending is how you get that seamless look. You want to leave a space here under your brow because that's a spot where you can add a little bit more definition, add a brow highlight. And sometimes people think that when you blend the eyeshadow too much, you lose some of that color payoff, which is true, but you can go back and add a little bit more and keep blending until you get it to the color that you want. And then once you're satisfied, you can move on. But there. So I think I'm happy with that. There's our transition shade in the crease here. And a good guide if you're doing just a simple clean look is the corner of your eye to the tip of your eyebrow. You kind of want to keep your color in here. And then we're going to take kind of a flatter brush, and I'm going to go in with a darker color. I'm going to choose a dark cool tone brown from the same palette. Again, you guys just work with whatever palette you have. And if you can see, I'm going to take this clean part of my brush, this outer corner, outer V, whatever you choose to call it, that's where I'm going to place this color. And then I'm going to kind of push it right into my outer crease here. So we'll start with that, and then we're going to blend it. I'm just going to take my same blending brush that I used for my transition color and just allow the brush to blend out all of those harsh edges. And you can kind of swoop it in a little bit. So I like that, but I'm going to go back in one more time. Blending brush. You basically repeat these steps until you're happy with the color payoff. So I'm leaving this inner part blank because we're going to put our lightest shade there. You can go with a matte or a shimmer. I usually choose to go with a shimmer. So I'm going to just take a flat looking brush Usually I use my finger, but I'm going to go with a brush today. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of setting spray. That just helps the shimmer have a little bit more oomph. And I'm going to use this shade here. And I'm just going to pack that onto the inner part of the lid, down onto the inner corner here. And right in the middle, I like to do kind of a sweeping motion because that'll help blend it with your darker color on the outside. Take my blending brush and go right in the crease, just a little bit above again, and kind of blend it all together. Hey friends, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I went ahead and did my other eye, finished it with some mascara, and this is the finished look. It's a nice clean look. It really kind of opens up your eye. You can wear it to work, you can wear it running errands, you can wear it at home chilling out in your sweatpants, which is what I'm doing today. So yeah, I hope this helped somebody. It's stuff that I have taught myself over the years, watching other YouTube videos, so it's super simple. I appreciate you guys watching, and leave me some feedback in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.